Om Ganpati Nama Om Ganeshaya Nama. Friends, welcome to the world of Nakshatra. In this video, we'll talk about the Vishakha Nakshatra. So friends, if you get frustrated when things doesn't work out as per your requirements, you lose heart and get depressed. It's mean any of the planets falls under Vishakha Nakshatra. If there are lack of intimate friends, means you don't have true friends with whom you can share your inner feelings. Any of your planet is likely to fall in Vishakha Nakshatra. If you want to pursue your self-interest, want to adopt any method, right or wrong, in Hindi we say Sam Dand, Sam Dam Dand Bhed, then it's mean you are connected with Vishakha Nakshatra. So here, they are the keyword for trait of people in Vishakha Nakshatra. It is not important that your moon is falling in Vishakha Nakshatra, but any of planet in front of which it is written Vishakha means that planet has got the signification of Vishakha Nakshatra. So Vishakha is 16th Nakshatra of Zodiac. It falls under sign of Libra from 20 degree to 3.2 degree Scorpio, and as a Zodiac from 200 degree to 213.20. So this nakshatra, the ruler is Jupiter, god of knowledge. Since it falls under Libra and Scorpio, means three pada of this nakshatra fall under Libra. So those three padas will have energy of Venus and Jupiter. And one fourth pada that will have energy of Mars and Jupiter. So accordingly their signification will change. But three padas under Venus and Jupiter, so you see, both are Dharam Guru, means they are the religious leader. One is for the Devas and other for Demon. What effect we'll discuss, but broadly you see the Venus energies will be expended by Jupiter when you are in the Libra sign, and when it goes to the Scorpio sign, then the Mars energies, they are expended by Jupiter. Vishakha Nakshatra people, they are goal-oriented people, very courageous. They put great effort into the things. The ruler of this planet is Indrani. Indrani is the wife of deity Indra. This is also called Indra plus Agni. So it represents their desire to accomplish their mission at whatever cost. Procedures may be genuine or not. So sometimes they get into the trouble because the procedures are not genuine. Friends, its symbol is the victory gate, a decorated arc, or you can say Toran Davar. If you remember when the warriors used to come after war, they used to have a royal reception. The kingdom, they used to make big gates, big arc gate, and they used to decorate it to receive those warriors who have come after a great struggle. So it was this celebration after struggle. So here you note down two words, celebration and after struggle. So celebration means enjoyment and fun. Struggle means they have to fight to achieve their aim. Life is not as simple, but a challenge, and celebration is only after the victory. Friends, this nakshatra is connected with Radha or Mahalakshmi. So connected with Lord Krishna. Radha was dedicated to Lord Krishna. So you will find Vishakha male people will always be surrounded by lot of girl friends. No shortage of girlfriends. Whereas female, they will treat their lover, which may or may not be their husband. They will treat them like God, and have no similarity of their traits as per their male counterparts. Radha only loved Lord Krishna, whereas Lord Krishna, he had got numerous girlfriends. So Vishakha born people, they are very beautiful. People get attracted to them. They are soft spoken, domestic, and religious inclined. Lord is Jupiter. So they have got knowledge, prosperity, and they also relate to marriage. Friends, its element is Kapha. So physically, Kapha element will be more. So they are prone to throat infections, chest infection, water related stomach infection. At psychological level, they will hide their emotions. They will be secretive. Don't let people know what they feel. Even their emotions, love affair, their mind. So, friends, this nakshatra is also called Ajjubnana, which is 2 feet of Scorpio. In Chinese, they call it Tai. Initially, it was considered to be formed under 2 stars, but later it is considered to be formed from 4 stars. All 4 stars are part of the constellation of Libra, though one pada falls in the Scorpio also. The stars form the shape of a forked branch that is called Vishakha, means forked into 2 branches. 2 branches shows that mental energy diverted into 2 issues. In few cases, ladies' horoscope, when Jupiter in Vishakha nakshatra fall, I have observed they have got chances of second marriage. Vishakha male people, they inherit some characters like Indra's character, who like wine and women. They are party freak, like to party all night, pubs, clubs, tendency to get indulged in alcoholism and polygamy. Few of the native can have deceptive nature who can get other people in problem for their own sake or to achieve their goals. They have burning desire to achieve a post, position, promotion, authority, power, for which they work very hard. When in Scorpio sign means fourth pada of Vishakha nakshatra, the passion become intense and deceptive like Scorpio in their action to achieve their goals. They have very highly developed aura. So they leave the impression to anybody whom they meet. Good looking and charming, so no one can neglect them. They have faith in God, but they believe in orthodox system, but still try to modernize it. Friends, interestingly, they can win election if they join politics. Since politicians have also similar traits where they don't have close friends but lot of superficial friends, a big aura, knowledge, wisdom, and fire to achieve their aim by whatever means. Generally, they are attached with mother but still keep distance from their mother. They keep their father as their ideal but they keep distance with him. The weakness what they have got is the polygamy. Even despite having a beautiful wife, attraction of other women cannot be ruled out, and they even establish physical relation with them. These people remain unsatisfied. Whatever they achieve, they keep shifting their goalpost. They achieve their aim, they get a new goalpost set, and they don't enjoy what they have got. It is like warrior. He comes from a war, and again he goes for a new war. Same applicable as far as their profession, married life. They achieve a thing, they set a new goal. These people need to remain on the right path, otherwise they'll find themselves at crossroad of choices and decisions. They've got the habit of making the simple things complex and tough. If any of the planet, like if let us say, if Sun or Saturn falls in Vishakha Nakshatra, chances are they they change their job or have two sources of income. Means Vishakha. So three pada of this nakshatra are controlled by Jupiter and Venus. Both are the leaders, demons and angels. So it forms a combination of dharma and adharma, combination of dharma and rakshas. So in case you look at a Vishakha people, they're outcast. What does outcast mean here? They stay in themselves. They can go against the society. So they have limited friends or no friend circle. They are trouble creator and not happy to function in the realm of society. They may be bandits, they may be yogis, they may be soldiers. As far as profession is concerned, dealing with agriculture, wine and women, glamour, fashion industry, anything connected with the luxurious items, communication, because they need to speak out, they need to preach others. So they are guru, they are politicians, they are sports person because they have to achieve the aim, they are soldier. They can even relate to crime and mafia. They can join any profession, but have tendency to switch over their profession throughout their life. The alphabets what we connected are T, 2, Te, 2, and these are all for four padas. Friends, its first pada falls under Libra 20 degree to 23 degree 20 minutes. It has got energy of Venus, Jupiter and Mars because it falls under Aries Namansha. So you can think of the characteristic of a person having the energy of Venus, Jupiter and Mars. Second pada, Libra 23 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes in Libra sign. So here it comes the second Mansha. So Venus, Jupiter and Venus. Here the energies of Venus, they are multifolded. So the marital issues, they come more in this case. Third pada, Libra 26 degree 40 minutes to Libra 30 degree. So it has got the energies of Venus, Jupiter and Mercury. Here Mercury, the mental faculties, they get energy of Venus and Jupiter. The fourth pada, that lies under Scorpio 0 degree to 3 degree 20 minutes. It has got the energy of Mars, Jupiter and Moon. So the mental faculty and physical faculties, they are boosted by the Jupiter. So the first pada and the fourth pada, they more relate to the people in the soldier profession. What auspicious activities we can do is any martial warfare, offensive, aggressive activities which require hard approach. Even the ceremonies, functions, sex, romance. These activities can be performed when the moon transit through uh, Vishakha Nakshatra. What activities we should avoid? Travel, marriage, any activity that requires tact and diplomacy. Why travel and marriage? Because Vishakha means you have to repeat it. So tendency to repeat. So avoid the marriage Murta during the Vishakha Nakshatra. Otherwise you will find you have to go for remarriage. You have to go for again travel. So friends, this was something which I could think of about the Vishakha Nakshatra, and I wanted to record that. There may be much more about this nakshatra, and which I think can be beyond the scope. So if you like this video, like it, share it in your group circle, It gives us motivation. And subscribe the channel if not subscribed earlier. Have a great day. Om Ganpate.